Hello everyone, welcome back to the Legal Explorer. Today I'm going to explain you a very important topic. So did you know what you don't know? Not all triple talaqs are illegal in India. Yes, a recent Bombay High Court case cleared the confusion, and it's time we all should understand the difference because one wrong FIR can will be ruin someone's life. So let's talk the law, truth, and the justice. So the case background, here we go. In this case, a Muslim man divorced his wife in December 2023 using talaq-e-ahsan. What is talaq-e-ahsan? If you want a detailed video, please comment in my comment section. I'll make a detailed video. I'll explain you in the short in this video. Talaq-e-ahsan, how it works. Talaq-e-ahsan means the husband will pronounce talaq only once. So after pronouncing the talaq once, then a waiting period of 90 days is there. This 90 days waiting period is called as iddat period, and the iddat period will begin if the couple don't reconcile between this 90 days. The divorce will become final. Reconcile is nothing but not talking to each other. There is no physical intimacy, then the talaq will become final. Divorce will become final. So in this case, the man followed this method. He gave talaq, waited for 90 days. There was no reconciliation, and he sent a legal notice. But later the wife filed a police case saying that the husband has given a triple talaq. But later his wife filed a police case saying this was illegal under the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on the Marriage Act 2019, also known as Triple Talaq Act. There was a lot of legal confusion. Why? Because here where most of the people think, and even the police got confused. So basically, the 2019 Act bans only on talaq-e-biddat, also called as instant triple talaq or instant talaq. What is this talaq-e-biddat or instant triple talaq? Is nothing but saying talaq, talaq, talaq in the one go. So in the one go, here the husband didn't say talaq, talaq, talaq. He was following the talaq-e-ahsan method. So there was no triple talaq. So making it irrevocable and the final on spot, this triple talaq is illegal and can even send the husband to 3 years jail if the husband given a triple talaq. But talaq-e-ahsan is different. It gives the time to think, to reconcile, and and it is not an instant talaq. Still, the woman filed an FIR against her husband and the in-laws, saying they forced her, and it should be treated like an instant triple talaq. So what the High Court said? The Bombay High Court looked into the facts and gave a clear judgment. The court said this was not instant triple talaq, it was talaq-e-ahsan, which is valid in personal law. The 2000 Act does not apply here because in-laws cannot be dragged into such FIRs, and Section 34 IPC, Common Criminal Intention, Section 34 of IPC is nothing but common criminal intention, also does not apply. And pronouncing talaq is a husband's act, not a group crime. So the court squashed the FIR. What do you mean by squashing the FIR? Meaning the case was cancelled and the criminal charges were dismissed. I want to end this video by giving a legal awareness to the public message. This case is a big reminder that not all talaqs are illegal. Talaq-e-biddat is banned. It's nothing but talaq in a single one instant. So talaq-e-ahsan and talaq-e-hasan are still valid under Islamic law. So, and filing wrong FIRs can destroy reputations, especially when police don't check facts properly. So the police don't check the facts properly. Courts are now telling even cops and the lawyers to understand the difference clearly. This is not just a personal issue, it's a legal awareness issue. So next time when someone says the triple talaq is banned, ask them which one. So knowledge is power, and now you have it. If you found this video useful, like, share and subscribe to the Legal Explorer for more such real life legal stories which are simplified for you in simple English.